Imagine you're floating in space, surrounded by endless stars, distant planets, and cosmic wonders beyond imagination. You try to listen, to hear something, anything, but there's nothing. No whispers of solar winds, no distant explosions of supernovas, not even the hum of a black hole devouring matter, just silence. Why is space so eerily quiet? And what does this silence reveal about the universe itself? On Earth, we're used to sound. The rustling of leaves, the crash of waves, the distant roar of a jet flying overhead. But here's the thing, sound needs a medium to travel. It moves through vibrations, bouncing off air molecules and solid surfaces to reach our ears. Without a medium, there's no sound. And space, it's a near-perfect vacuum. There are no air molecules to carry sound waves. So, even if a massive explosion occurs in space, say a star goes supernova, it wouldn't make a sound. It would be an eerily silent, yet visually spectacular event. But this raises an even deeper question. If space is silent, then how do we hear anything from the cosmos at all? There's something unsettling about absolute silence. Here on Earth, even in the quietest places, like deep caves or anechoic chambers, our ears start playing tricks on us. We begin hearing our own heartbeat, the rush of blood in our veins, even imaginary sounds. But in space, there is no background noise at all, just a vast, endless void of nothingness. And this silence has profound implications. Imagine astronauts on the moon during the Apollo missions. When they stepped outside their spacecraft, they couldn't hear their own footsteps, despite standing on solid ground. The only sounds were the ones inside their helmets, mechanical hums, their own breathing, and mission control's voice. Everything else, utterly silent. Now here's where things get even more interesting. The universe is unimaginably vast, with billions of galaxies, each containing billions of stars and planets. So, where is everyone? If intelligent alien civilizations exist, why haven't we heard from them? Why is space so silent? This is the heart of the Fermi paradox, the contradiction between the high probability of alien life and the eerie silence of the cosmos. Some scientists believe we may be listening to the wrong frequencies, or that advanced civilizations communicate in ways we don't yet understand. Others suggest the terrifying idea that space is quiet because something or someone is keeping it that way. Some theories suggest that intelligent civilizations may self-destruct before they ever become advanced enough to communicate across the stars. Others propose that a more advanced species could be enforcing a kind of cosmic quarantine, preventing less advanced civilizations, like ours, from making contact. Then there's the Great Filter hypothesis, which suggests that there's a nearly impossible barrier to life's progression, either before intelligent life evolves or just before it becomes spacefaring. If the filter is ahead of us, it could mean we are one of the few civilizations on the brink of survival. And what if we are being watched? The zoo hypothesis theorizes that extraterrestrials are observing us from a distance, choosing not to interfere, either to let us evolve naturally or because we are simply not advanced enough to join the greater cosmic community. Are we alone? Or is the silence of space a warning, one we just don't understand yet? The answers may be out there, waiting for us to uncover them. The silence of space is haunting, beautiful, and full of mystery. It reminds us of how fragile we are, floating on this tiny blue planet in a cosmic ocean. But it also drives us to explore, to seek answers in the silence, to push beyond our limits, and to one day, perhaps, hear something that changes everything. So next time you step outside and look up at the night sky, remember, the universe may be silent, but that silence is full of secrets waiting to be uncovered. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more mind-blowing content about space and the universe.